What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can see, we're in Miami right now, Miami Brickell, and honestly, it's been long due. I'm staying here for a week or so, but maybe I'll end up actually staying longer depending on how I do, right? Now, don't worry, guys, I'm working on a vlog. Each day I'm recording my trade recap, what I'm doing in the day, and yeah, by the end of the week, sorry, I'll do a big edit and it's probably going to be posted in 2 weeks or so. But yeah, today's topic, how to make it in trading after you have your strategy and everything figured out, right? And that's something that right now I'm struggling with, right now, at this moment, as we speak. So, you guys know, every strategy works. Every single strategy works. As long as you have data, you have backtests, you have journal about it, right? You know what days you should trade, you know what news may affect your trade, you know how much you should risk, how much RR you should aim for, the best time frame to use, right? Everything. As long as you have data on your strategy and you have a decent win rate, everything can work. Now, what's the problem? You guys know I've been ripping payouts. I probably go on like a 2 week straight just getting payout, right? And then afterward, what happens? I get, what's the word? I get comfortable, right? So I get 2 weeks of straight discipline, straight consistency, straight trusting the process, right? Doing everything right. But then after I get the payout, it's like I just lose myself, right? And that's the biggest problem here. Strategy is not the problem. It's actually just following your rules. Especially at the place that I am right now, where I'm full-time day trading, right? So what happened? Well, so you guys know, from market open to about 10:15, I look for a trade. Normally, all my trades are near 9:40, right? And then either I hit TP in 5 minutes or lose in 5 minutes. Then I need to think to myself, when I lose, well, let's say when I win. When I win, bang, super happy, right? No worries at all. I record a quick video, I close my PC, my MacBook, and go on by my day. But when I lose, I just can't handle the loss, right? Then I start looking for other trades so I can end up green, so I can have a payout, so I can at least break even on the day. Then one trade leads to another trade, leads to over trading, over risking on basically no setup and blowing the accounts, right? Anyway, I'm just letting you guys know. Oh, that's the point where I wanted to say. So when I lose, I'm like, dang, now I have to wait a whole other 24 hour just so I can retrade, right? And this is where it fucks me up. I'm like, no way I missed this setup. This setup was so easy and I took an L. Let me get back the money. No way I have 24 hours of doing nothing again just so I can trade tomorrow. Let me try to see what I can do. Maybe I'll de-risk, but whatever, right? And that's the problem. Too much free times fucks me a lot. But now let's get into, for example, today, right? Now you guys will see everything in the vlog, but I'm just recording this video so I can post something meanwhile, right? So you guys know I resetted my 150Ks pro account, right? Cost me about $10,000 CAD. I've been trading them well, yeah. But Friday, when I traded, well, the intraday trailing drawdown caught up to me, right? So I was aiming for a 2 RR, managed to get 1 RR, but then unrealized profit and then lost, right? So I was minus 2K already. Then Monday, I lost another 1K. So now what do I have? Well, I only have 1.5K for today. And well, you guys already know. First of all, 100%, I could have just de-risked. I'm like, okay, just risk 500, doesn't matter. Normally I aim for 3 RR anyway, right? One trade, I'm back. And that's what you guys, including me, need to know, right? Doesn't matter. L days are gonna happen. It's in the system, right? When you guys backtest, L days are supposed to happen. But those L days are not supposed to be blowing the account, right? So yeah, basically today I ended up blowing the account and just dumb, honestly very dumb. Today was a winning day too, but I was just so scared, ended up trading a random trade, taking a random trade and then losing, and then I only had like 500 left and I'm like, might as well, right? But no, that's not how it goes. Anyway, even right now, you guys see me rip payouts, 75K in the last 2 months. Before that, 40K, before that, 20K, right? It all comes back to the same thing. After I do good, what happened? I just start trading as a game, and it's not a game. Especially at the level where I'm at right now. You guys see me trade 25Ks and I'm ripping 5-figure payouts, nearly 6. Now imagine with those 150Ks, what I'm gonna rip with them, right? But every good thing takes time. So yeah, main thing you guys should just, I guess, listen to, especially if you guys in a way look up to what I did since I posted my whole journey from unprofitable to ripping this many payouts. Just stay disciplined, follow the rules. Even if you enter the trade and the same candle stops you out, it's okay. It's whatever. Just come back the next day. Trading is that. If you want to make money, you need to be patient. Simple as that. And especially that I'm recording these vlogs, right, in Miami for a week. So I was trying to rush the process, honestly. I wanted to rip a huge payout, which ended up me blowing the account. Why? Well, so I can do nice shit, go drop a bag on shopping, go rent some exotic cars, right? But that's not how it works, right? I need to be patient, stay disciplined, stay consistent, follow my rules, have faith in God, do what I'm supposed to do, right? That's it. I wake up in the morning, look for a setup, take my setup, lose or win, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Then I close the laptop. I just need to stop thinking about money, payouts. Just trade the trades, right? So yeah, that's the video I wanted to make you guys. That's the video that I wanted to record for you guys. And I ended up resetting again, spending another 10K right now on 150Ks, but this time is the last time. The only way I lose those accounts if take profit makes me go through live. That's it. I'm not losing this account. I don't care. Even if I have to trade risking $250 to save the account, I'll do so, right? Doesn't matter. Good things takes time. Me requesting 5-figure payout each time I win on these accounts, well, it's gonna cost me discipline, right? And patience. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.